Spectre here. Welcome to a short video with excerpts from our daily pre-market commentary that we do. Now let's get into the charts.
You know, if we clear this 28, we could see a quick move up to 30. Ideally, I would love to see a double top fail, flush down into this 25 area. I think that if it can clear this 579, 580 and get over actually this 580, 180 right here, you know, this has a chance to shoot back 598 towards 600 a little bit later. So if market is strong and pushing, I think that this could be a potential runner. So what I'm looking for is, let's see if this pushes 330, 333, fails. If it does and comes back, then I'm open for a short. I'd like to get it down into 315.
If you like these levels, our choice of stocks to trade, and want the full morning commentary, subscribe to our service at edamoma.com. We look forward to trading with you.